Hi guys, this is Anna and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a purple eye makeup look. I just got my eyebrows done, so my eyelids are like a blank canvas and I'm so excited to do this. I've already done my face makeup because I'm hoping that this video is gonna be a little bit shorter than before. So let's get started. Today I'm gonna be using the Line Crime Venus 3 palette. This is what it looks like. These are all the colors in it. Let's get started. So first I'm going to go in with the shade Dreamy right here. This is what it looks like. I've applied it on my upper eyelid, just like that. Next then I'm gonna go in with the shade Paradise. This is the purple one. Next up, I'm going to take the shade Beam. It's a glittery pinkish purple right here with a different brush, a flatter brush, and I'm going to apply it in here, in the blank space. Next up, I'm going to take a smaller brush like this and I'm going in with the shade Ecstasy, this brown shade. This is what it looks like right now. That's it. This is what it looks like right now. I'm gonna go do my eyeliner off camera and I'll be right back. So this is what it looks like with my eyeliner done. I'm now gonna be putting on mascara. So this is the complete look. This is what it looks like with mascara on. Let me try to turn on the flash so that you guys can look at this look in a better way. Looks better. This is what the look looks like. That is it. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe.